Ha! Support and resistance. I know very well. Support means floor and resistance means ceiling. Exactly. But I will add some more information for you which may helpful for your trading view. Hello viewers. Welcome to Black Box Trading Zone. This is the first part of support and resistance videos. Step by step in these videos I will show you basics with secrets of support and resistance. So viewers, to see all these videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell button for getting notification of upcoming videos. Have you done it? Thanks. Let's start. Support and resistance is one of the most important basic technical trading concept. Today in this video I will show you number 1, what are support and resistance. Number 2, how to draw support and resistance with different time frame. Number 3, what is trend line support and resistance? First of all, what are support and resistance? We know a stock price fluctuate or move up and down over time. When the price repeatedly reaches or goes in certain place and then reverses its direction, it creates price levels, which we called support and resistance, where the price stay or reverse. More time price hit or test the level, become the level more stronger. Considering levels are better than support or resistance lines because the price always buffer. Remember, price chart is not a geometric figure. We keep it flexible. When price breaks support level, that support level becomes a new resistance level. And the opposite, when price breaks a resistance level, it becomes a new support level. How to draw support or resistance lines? To draw support or resistance lines properly, just you need two major tops or bottoms and connect them. But most of the traders can't even draw the lines or levels correctly. Believe me. Look at this chart. Where do you buy or where do you sell? A lot of lines means a lot of barriers in front of you, which makes a negative impact on your mind and you lose opportunity. Come with me. Look the process. Open weekly chart or big frame chart. Draw the lines on most significant levels or key levels. Remember, significant levels. Significant level means where price touches more than 2 times. Here you see some charts. Look the lines on significant levels. Then come back at daily chart. Now we adjust these lines to get most touches. Moving up or down these lines where prices hit most of the times. Okay? Again, move up or down these lines where prices hit most of the time. Look, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Again, look here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. And here we have 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay? So we always keep the chart clean because clean chart help us to identify the movement of prices. And in this way, we may find our support and resistance on higher time frame and get our entries on smaller time frame. Now, trend line and trend channel or price channel, are they work as a support or resistance? Yes, of course, trend line work nicely as a support or resistance. So, what is trend line? To draw trend line, you need at least 2 points and then extend it. To validate a trend line, you need at least 3 points. More touches you get, the trend line getting more stronger. Here, if we connect these two highs or if we connect these two lows, what happens? Is these lines are useful or is there any meaning? Look, where is present price? This price doesn't respect those trend line. So always take lines where contains most prices or hit prices most of the time. After all, make a sense of the line. Work where is the price present now. Don't go in fantasy. Okay. Here this is uptrend trend line. Here this trend line act as a support line. Then this is downtrend trend line. Here this trend line act as a resistance line. Here no trend, price moving in range. So upper range is resistance and lower range is support. There is also trend channel or price channel where upper and lower channel are parallel. In up channel you find resistance and support. In down channel you find also support and resistance. So here you see trend line work as a support and resistance. So viewers, these are all today. In the next video you will see more secrets of support and resistance. Till then, bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay? Thanks a lot.